This is the tree in front of the house, and it's bare, it's gray, nothing on it at this time. So we have a pole right on it, right here. We'll take this pole, wrap some copper wire around it, so we can get some leaves on it as quick as possible and save the tree. All right, it's supposed to be bearing leaves right now, but it's coming out slowly, but not fast enough. So we'll give it a little charge by wrapping the copper around this and making it, give it more nutrients from the soil, and also gets more electricity from the air for it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the thing off, stick off, wrap it, and stick it back on in a little bit. I'll see you in a little bit. All right. Here's the stick with the copper around it for the antenna. I just did it. All right, all the copper around it for you to see. Right here at the bottom. Stick the copper in it. Right there. And it runs along the whole thing to the top. Now I'm going to stick it back into the tree and start getting things. See in a little bit. So here it is. The pole is back in the ground. The end back in the ground. Waiting up back in the ground. And all the way up. All the way up to the top. So I can conduct. I'm zooming in. Right there. So it'll collect all the energy from the air and magnetize the soil and make the tree start blossoming in the next 2 weeks or so. Yes, we'll go back and check it out in 2 weeks so you can see what it looked like. Okay? Right here. So that's it. That's how you do your electroculture antenna with copper wire and a stick, and it works perfectly. In the next 2 weeks, you'll see these leaves just germinate really fast, coming out really fast. Thank you, and see you soon.